The second annual Fabricada of the Year was a great success. This EHS competition is run by the school's manufacturing teacher with help from the CTE Advisory Board and local industry partners, which is run kind of like Shark Tank for student makers. All students in the manufacturing program can join. They design and build a product that meets specific guidelines. Then the top 20 students are picked to present their work to a panel of judges. They explain how and why they built their projects the way they did. Instead of ranking students against each other, the contest focuses on celebrating creativity and skill. There are 4 main categories and 1 big overall winner per category. But this competition isn't just about winning. Students get to show their work to real companies. This year, all 3 graduating seniors got job offers from Benchmade Knives. They also get to show off what they've learned, from technical work like welding to important soft skills like problem solving and public speaking. Plus, with limited materials to use, the competition teaches students how to be smart and creative with their resources. This is a great opportunity for STK kids to build, compete, and grow into future professionals.